Of course, Crescent Moon. Here's the third story of The Little Prince in simple English, perfect for a 2-minute YouTube video. Sparkles the Little Prince, third story. In the third story, the little prince visits another small planet. There, he finds a man who says, "I am the greatest of all. I am a king." The king wanted everything to happen only by his command, even the sun to rise or the stars to shine. The little prince looked at him with surprise and said, "But the sun does not shine because of your order, and the stars do not sparkle for you." Then the little prince understood, the king only wanted to feel important, but in truth, he had no real power. Glowing Star Lesson. Some people think the world turns around them, but the real value is in kindness, respect, and humility.